Did you know that there are over 900 burglaries in the UK every single day? To put that into context, it works out to one burglary every 90 seconds. Think about that. That's someone's home being destroyed, ransacked almost every minute of every day. Belongings stolen, sentimental things gone, and the house absolutely trashed. And when you walk around pretty much any street in the UK, it's easy to see why. No security system on that house over there, and very old one on that house, very old one on that house, old one on that house, relatively new one on that house. But you go round and pretty much 4 out of every 5 houses don't have any visible security deterrent or security alarm that would stop a burglar. And that's the same story, but pretty much all across the UK. Think about how amazing that is for the burglar, that they can go to pretty much any road in the UK and they'll be able to burgle, say, 4 out of the 5 properties because they've got no visible security deterrents. You see, security isn't just about alerting you. Obviously, that's a very important part of it. But most of security is just about deterrence, making your property look less attractive to the burglars so they don't even try. It is important to protect the home properly with good coverage, but you need to get past step 1 and actually make your house look like an unattractive target to burgle. There's 3 ways you can do that. Let me show you. Number 1, have great security lighting in place so when someone moves, maybe the front or back of your house, they get lit up at night time. 2, have solid and secure locks. Don't just depend on a latch lock, okay? Make sure you've got some form of deadlock or a mortise lock in your door to stop it being easy to break through. And number 3, which is what we're going to be talking about today, a solid, up-to-date security system. Enter the wireless DIY Guardfather security system. See, the great thing about the Guardfather security system is it's a wireless DIY system that you can fit yourself. You can skip all the expensive installers, and also with that, there are no forced subscription fees, which, to be honest, is very unusual nowadays. Everyone seems to be going down the subscription option. So if you don't fancy paying monthly every month for the rest of your life for your own security, then this system might just be for you. I'm going to install some devices now. We'll talk through it together and you can see what you think. If you now click onto the control panel, you're going to be presented with the home screen where it says arm stay, arm emergency button and disarm. So at the bottom, second in from the left, you have an option there that says device. Click that button there. You see you've got your control panel at the top and underneath it says no device yet, please add device first. So click add device and then click add sub device. Your panel is already selected, so you can leave that. And let's say, for instance, we're going to enter our name as front door. Now it says enter ID. Click the barcode scanner and get your door contact. Slide down the door contact to expose the back housing. Then when you've done that, pull out the slip so the battery is connected. Now scan the barcode that's inside the door contact and it will automatically add it. Confirm, press and hold activation button to add. The activation button is the LED that's just there. Click and hold that. Success, you've now added your front door contact to your system. We're going to begin by fitting the front door contact onto the front door. So where you're fitting your door contact, just give the area a wipe to remove any dust. In the kit, you have 2 options on how to mount your front door contact. On the back plate, there are areas that you can poke out and screw your contact and your magnet to the door and the door frame. But in this example, we're going to be using the 3M sticky back tape. They've been made precisely for the size of the door contact and the magnet. Peel back the 3M sticky tape to expose the other side, then stick the door contact to your door frame. Do the same for your magnet. All set up and good to go. Now it's time to fit and mount your internal motion sensor. It comes in 2 parts. You have a back plate and you have the motion sensor. You need to attach these together in order to close the tamper circuit. So you do this by getting your back plate, slotting it into the back, and then push down and you will hear it click. Put your motion sensor down somewhere safe, get your back plate. Once you've firmly secured the back plate to the wall, get your motion sensor with the Guardfather logo at the bottom and the LED at the top and simply push it into place. Once it's in the back plate, you can now adjust it to look where you want it to look with the movement there. You don't need to actually angle the motion sensor looking down. It looks down automatically, especially if you've got pets. This system does have pet-friendly sensors. These are all pet-friendly, But ideally, you want the sensor to be level on the bottom because it'll look down automatically. So more adjust it left to right based on the direction you want it to be looking at. It's now time to fit your external sounder. So what you want to do is get the back plate out the box and fix it to the wall by drilling 4 holes of 7mm and putting in the raw plugs provided. Once you've done that, screw the back plate to the wall. It's time to slot on the sounder. And slot on the sounder and the LEDs will blink to let you know that the tamper's closed and the device is fitted properly. In place, and now we push down. Blink, working great. Now that external sounder will act as an amazing visual deterrent for any would-be burglars looking at your property. The LED will blink every few seconds so that anyone who's looking at it knows you've got a working solid security system. And don't worry about battery life. Just like all the devices on this system, you won't have to worry about that for years to come. So hopefully that gave you a good idea of just how easy and simple it is to install the Guardfather security system. I'll of course link the website in the description of the video, but what I'll also link is the Trustpilot link, so you can go and see what customers are actually saying about their system. And I tell you now, it's reviews that any business would die for, with expert support all the way through whenever you need it. The system's built on customer care. I know, I'm the founder of the business. And if you have any questions about security, whether it's the Guardfather, whether it's something else, just get in touch. I help people all the time with all different types of security. I've pretty much seen them all. But whether you use mine or someone else's, it's great as long as you get security so you can protect yourself, protect your house, protect your family and all that. Like I said earlier, I'll leave a link for the website in the description. You can go on and you can actually build your own system with the system builder. It takes you through some simple questions and it'll build your system for you. And then you can just add it to the cart, knowing that you've got a solid, well set up security system ready to install for when it arrives. Thanks for watching, guys. And as always, see you on the next one.